Today I am replacing the heating element on my hot water heater. So this is a 2000 watt heating element, and this is a 20-gallon electric hot water heater that uses a 2000 watt heating element. I've done the troubleshooting. I'm pretty sure it's the element, so I'm going to go ahead and take out that heating element and put this one in to make sure, everything works and it starts heating up. So now that I have that element that's busted out, now I'm putting the new one in, and all you do is you got to make sure that, now there's a little gasket here. You got to make sure you got this gasket on here. If not, it's going to leak, and that's not good. So they'll come with this little rubber gasket piece here, and then you just, put it over the threads. Mine wasn't already seated. That's mainly why I'm pointing this out. Mine was just loose in the package. So seat it over the threads. There's not a gasket out here. You don't need a gasket out here. Don't put it out here. Put it here on the threads. Then line that thing up and screw it in. So I'm going to do that now. All right, so I've got the plastic piece put back on because I did turn on the 120 volt power. I got the element in there nice and tight, not leaking, seems to be doing really well. So I did, like I said, put this protector back on because you have the positive and negative right here. When the power's on, you don't want to get shocked. So I have that on, and you probably can't hear it in the video, but I can hear the water sizzling inside of there from the heating element turned on. So it's definitely heating up the water, doing what it needs to do. And that was the fix. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.